Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. Right here I'm about to show you the easiest way to do angled cuts on your clapboard siding by yourself. So right here you'll see my jig set up. I have two of them, one on each side. Your jigs will be crucial while doing clapboard siding, and make sure they are both identical. So get your overall measurement and make that cut. Bring your board back over like you're about to see here. You'll get your top and bottom measurements of your angle. Bring it back over to the table. Make your mark. Make your cut. Bring your piece back over to the shed. Rest it on your two jigs, one on either side. I brad nailed the top of mine and nailed with 2-inch nails on the stud side. I'll add some cripple studs for strength later on if need be, but for now this is perfect for my application. You see me moving the jig up and over to where it's tight with the roof. Nail it on with a little brad nail that I had going through it. Get another measurement and cut another piece. So here I'll show you again. You hook your tape onto that jig, pull it all the way down to your other jig right there, get your overall measurement, cut your piece, lay your piece in place like this, mark your bottom, mark your top for your angle. And that's it. Should fit nice and snug. I'll let you enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks for watching, and catch you on the next one.